So today I'm back. I'm going to be doing an apartment tour. The last time I filmed an apartment tour, we had just moved here and it was completely empty. We've been living here almost a year now, myself and my housemate Chelsea, and we're actually going to be moving very soon, within the next couple of months, because our rent is up and we both decided that we wanted something a little bit different, just to make like a change, for yeah, a fresh start I suppose, just something a little bit different. But before we did move, I wanted to show you guys around, show you what we did, how we made it look to how it is now. And yeah, it's no MTV cribs, but it's still kind of cute in my opinion, so I wanted to share it with you all. I'm going to be showing you like the apartment and my bedroom. Chelsea's bedroom is the main bedroom, which is the biggest one, but I'm not going to be showing you that today because she's not here. So yeah, and then if you guys want to see a moving vlog as well when we get our new apartment, which hopefully, fingers crossed, will be slightly bigger than this one, because we want like bigger bedrooms and just like a little bit more space and stuff like that. So if you do want to see that, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments as well, and let's get into the apartment tour. Okay, so this is the door as you come in. As you come in here, we've got a lot of our coats hanging up as soon as you walk in, and then at the bottom Chelsea has some like little briefcases things that she's just got some like little storage bits in. And then here is Chelsea's bedroom, which is the main bedroom. If you do want to see that, I have it in the empty apartment tour, but there was nothing in it obviously. Here is the bathroom, and we basically just put all of our like, well, these are all of mine, all my like kind of hair products, bubble bath, etc., moisturizer. This is all Chelsea's stuff in here, and then we also get like a storage unit each. That's Chelsea's one, and then I have all of my stuff in there. And then at the top, Chelsea's just got some of her stuff. And then we bought this little, I think from Wilko's, which has come in really handy. So we've just stored a bunch of like shampoo and conditioner there. This is the bath, so that's that. And then as you walk out here, we've just got a little sign frame that says work hard and be nice to people. On this side we have a lot of shoes. Believe it or not, that is probably like only half of them, because in there we also have a box full of shoes, and we've got some in our rooms as well, but I won't open this because it is like full to the brim of just suitcases and all kind of stuff. But yeah, this is between the two of us as well, so keep that in mind. We put this mirror up ourselves, which was quite the challenge. It's actually in one of my vlogs, but it was really quite funny. And then we just put some like little fairy lights to go round, which we actually put up for Christmas, but then we quite liked them, so we left them there. And then here is a desk, which was Chelsea's, and then I bought like another one of these to go on the end for myself, to put all like kind of just folders and work kind of stuff. And yeah, so we just got like a printer and laptops and all kind of like stuff that we need for work, etc. Please don't think we're like alcoholics, but we just have a bunch of different like selection, which is actually Chelsea's, to be fair, but on the top we just got magazines. And then we got this from a store near us when we moved in. We just really liked it, and we just got some candles and a Christmas decoration that we haven't took down. Here we've got like a little sweet pot, which is really cute, so when we've got like family and friends over. A lot of wrapping paper for birthdays, etc. We got this table from IKEA, which was, I can't remember what colour, I think it was just like wooden, and we decided to paint it white. It was only like £15, so we did a little bit of a DIY. And then we just got some fruit, which we need to get some new bananas, they're looking a little bit worse for wear. We've got some flowers, a fan, which is really pathetic and it's run out of battery, but anyway, these little coasters, and this is a face steamer, which I got I think from Amazon, but it was like an absolute bargain. We use it all the time and it's just like really nice on your face. Here we have a lot going on because this is where we do our washing, if you haven't already gathered. But then up here is like a little shelving unit, so we've just put a bunch of different like pictures, candles, books, etc. Made it look nice and aesthetically pleasing, if that's how you pronounce it. Above here we got this frame. I think Chelsea got this from like a Christmas market, and yeah, we just really liked it. It's like a London vibe, and we thought that it went really well with where we're living. That's the garden. I'll show you guys that in a minute. This is the kitchen, and we've just put some like little like things up here that we got from, well, I think these two are Chelsea's, from California, obviously, and then this one I got from like a local store near my old home, and then I put that clock up. We stored all our mugs here because we don't have no more storage to put them anywhere else, so we just kind of got them jumbled there. This is the kitchen area. Got some Fruit Loops, Cheerios, essentials, got loads of like snacks, more snacks, and then I love all of these little like plate things, a little timer. It's cute. And then as you go outside here, this is the garden, so I'll show you guys quickly. It's kind of hard to upkeep this because we're never really around, but it is nice to have a garden to open up the doors, especially when it's been like really hot. So Chelsea bought this table from home, but we have no chairs, so we haven't really used it. We got a barbecue. It come with the apartment when we moved here. It's such a cute garden though. I'm gonna be sad to leave it. I do love it just to look at, and it's a really nice day. But yeah, so going back in, oh, there we go. Yeah, so walking back through, oh, okay, so here is like our little front room living area. Chelsea bought the table and the rug again from home. Then we bought this sofa, which has been an absolute lifesaver. I think it was from Argos, but it pulls down into like a sofa bed. And then we bought like these pillows and stuff when we moved here. We got the throw, I think, from like Tesco's. We got this big pillow from a store near us. And then we got these little pink ones from Wilko's, I think. Over here we've got a bean bag and just like a little fluffy stool, which I absolutely love this. I bought this from home. And then over here we have our shelving unit, which is really pretty. This is like one of my favourite things. So we just stored all of our books. And then I got this again from like a little Christmas market near us, and then we just put these little flowers in it, filled it with water. And we've got a little signs. It's a photo album book. That's like a clapperboard from America, Universal Studios. And yeah, we've just kind of like filled it with all kind of different things, frames, pictures, etc. Over here we've got our telly. I was watching Patricia Bright's videos. She absolutely cracks me up. We got some boxing gloves, nice girly ones. These are Chelsea's like things that she can practice her handstands on. Up here we have some like more little like pictures, etc. These actually light up, but I don't know if they're working right now. Oh, they are. We put these frames up recently. I got this one on Game of Thrones. It's an Emmy Award, and I got it in 2014 to 2015. And then Chelsea got this one, which is a SAG Award for Wonder Woman in 2017, I believe. And then we've got a little mannequin, and we just hang some bags or coats, whatever we're sort of feeling the vibe. And that's pretty much everything, I think. Yeah, so that completes that bit. Walking through here is my bedroom. So this one here, open up the door. My room is pretty small, but I kind of tried to fit as much in it as possible. On this little storage unit here, I got this little name tag from a wedding, so I just stuck that on. Then I've put some of these little Polaroid pictures on the side. Up the top, nice little plant and a photo frame of me and my nieces. And then I just store like some like deodorant, perfumes, all that kind of jazz. And then inside here I've just got like hair products, some laundry at the bottom, more laundry. But yeah, I can fit quite a bunch of different stuff in there, so that's that. This is my wardrobe, which I wish was bigger because it's kind of overflowing, but I got a little bit creative and stuck some like magazine cutouts on there, whatever tickled my fancy, and I stuck them on with like coloured tape. Here I put up a little mirror that my mum gave me. She didn't need it, so I decided to steal it. And then this is my favourite little sign. In the dark it looks really, really nice for nighttime because it lights the whole room up pink. It's like neon pink and it looks really, really cool. These pillows, I got this one from Oliver Bonus. It's so fluffy. It was like £50, but I really, really wanted it. And then this one I got from Society 6 and it says Badass Babes Club. Here is my little bedside unit, which I kind of need to get a bigger one when we move, but it does the job for now. On the top I've just got like my jewellery box, some earrings that I got from Primark the other day. And then I got this little candle thing. I can't remember where this is from, but I really like it. I love that it's got like a little leaf in it. And then on here I've got like a grid and I just stick loads of like random stuff on there that I like or like means something to me. Then I've got some more magazine cutouts. Here I've got my mirror, which comes in really useful every single day to get ready. I got that bag from Nasty Girl. I showed it in my last haul, and that's just like a headband thing. Yeah, here is a door which is really, really random. It's just like a nice little garden patio area, and as you can see, this plant pot, can we just appreciate it for one moment, because I did that myself and I was really, really proud of it. Here I have all my makeup so that when I get ready in my mirror I can do my makeup. Here I've just put all my hair products in, like curlers, straighteners, etc. And what I was saying about my cupboard overflowing is I couldn't fit any more of like my jeans or trousers, so I bought a shoe rack from IKEA for £3 and put all of my jeans and trousers on there just for the time being before we move. Got some shoes underneath there as well. They are all of my bikinis stored in there, and this is my ring light for when I film videos. Here I've just put on this shelving unit like candles, flowers, made it look pretty, and frames. It's me, my nieces and my mum, and yeah, so that's that. On my door I've got some more little hangy things because we have a lot of hangy things in this house. Another picture, that's me with like my family, a Christmas sign, don't know why, didn't know where else to put it. And then I hang some coats up there, and that's pretty much all I've got for my room. So this is it from like the overview, as you can see. Lovely. Yeah, that completes our house tour. Dun 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 dun. So that completes our first apartment. We've had such a great time here, so many memories. But yeah, so I'm looking forward to a new apartment. We haven't got anywhere yet. We've looked at so many different places and we just can't decide. So hopefully within the next couple of weeks we should know, because I'm going to be going to Canada for a few weeks. So we kind of need to know before I go, and there's a lot going on, so we need to get our asses in gear. But yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll catch you all very soon. Bye!